Want to build something cool? Welcome to a bonus video of Jeff Builds.
Well, you're probably wondering what all these random orange things are. And I'll tell you, these are just a bunch of random 3D printed blocks. So the one company I work at, they do a lot of 3D printing for prototyping, creating different things, and sometimes the prototypes work, sometimes they don't. The prototypes that don't work, they get thrown out. So instead of throwing them out, they gave them all to me. So we're gonna build something cool with this. I wasn't really sure what I was gonna build when all they gave me were these two small stacks of, well, the small stack of these flat brick things, and then this kind of organizer shelf thing. So I think we're gonna make some shelves out of this. That was my original plan, maybe some like floating, I don't know, wall-mounted shelves. I thought that'd be kind of cool. I might still do that. But then, they gave me this big chunker. And so I think we're gonna make a big old corner shelf out of all this. So yeah, let's get to it. So I think the plan is, this is just gonna be kind of its own separate little shelf. And then I'm basically just gonna take these and just kind of mash them into these slots and make shelves on here and stick this in the corner. It'll be a nice little corner shelf. See if it works. Some of the pieces you can see aren't finished on both sides. You can see inside these pieces, so I'm gonna save these for last, and then maybe I can use them somewhere else. See, the idea here is that I kind of made like plumb bobs and hung them from the top shelf, so hopefully I can kind of line up the shelves like that, because it will be hanging straight down due to the weights that I hung on the bottom. So I'm going to try and line up the shelves along these strings so that they'll be more parallel than they were before. Well, there you have it. I decided to use my Jeff Builds shelf to hold on my Jeff Builds Metal Earth. Though I still have a few pieces left over here. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with this yet. I think I'll either use it as some sort of storage bin / organizer, or possibly like a monitor stand or something. It's got some holes in here, which I could run some cables through, so it could be kind of handy as a monitor stand. I'll have to think on that one. These, I still think it would be kind of cool if I could kind of mount them on a wall, make them almost like a floating shelf type thing. I don't want to do that here, but potentially down the road in a workshop or someplace, I'll maybe mount those on the wall. I'll use them for something. But yeah, there's your little bonus videos of some random free stuff I got.